I like to present the Apple II Europlus, built by Apple Computer Inc. in 1978. It has 1 megahertz. There is no hard drive installed, only a logic board and the ability to add several interface cards to the computer. We have installed a language card and we have installed a disk interface card which is connected to this both disk drives called disk 2. To start the computer we need a disk operating system like this one, and we put it in disk drive number 1 before we start the computer, and then we power it up. Now the system is loaded into the RAM of the computer. Here especially into the language card of the Apple II Europlus. And now the system is running and we can use a program floppy disk in disk drive number 2 and start the program by typing run, and we need to know the name and address is D2 for disk drive 2, and so we can start the program Picture Show, programmed in 1981. We see a slideshow of some early 1-bit pictures that what you think to see in grayscale is only produced by patterns of 1 bit. So here we come to some better versions. Let's go over to another program I want to show you. This is the normal sound of a disk drive 2. I reset the computer now to load another program. Because here I don't know the name of the starting program, I type catalog D2 to see the catalog of the disk, and there's a hello program, so I can run the hello program. And what starts is Sargon by Dimitri Simonbag und Dan und Kate Sprachlen. So you see an Apple II Europlus